Welcome back to Outdoors with the McCalls.
All right, so I got my coffee. I'm ready to make moves this morning, baby. I don't understand how people get anything larger than a small. I can never finish them. I end up pouring most of it out. But once I get just a little bit in me, I'll be ready to go. And I'll show you some footage of what this yard looks like because there's so many leaves out here. So I did just want to come out here and show you how much the leaves have just been falling over the last couple of days. I know that we're going to have to do this again, but we're going to blow some of this and hopefully maybe dump some of it, chop some of it up with the mower. We'll do this again before the actual bonfire, but this is just so that we don't have to do so much again next week, just prior to the bonfire. But this is just the area up under the trees. So much sand and dirt. Up under the trees, by the grills. You never know. We're in Alabama. You never quite know what's up under here. So very important that we get this cleaned up some in the area where the kids play. We have all these leaves just everywhere around here. I do remember as kids growing up, we just make piles and piles of these leaves and just run and dive in them. Now, as a parent myself, I would definitely not want my child to do that, but hey, we did it as kids. But yeah, we got to get some of this cleaned up. Like I said, it's that time of the year, it's fall, so they're going to continue to fall, of course. But at least this will kind of we can get it cleaned up a little bit before the bonfire, and it'll lessen the workload for next week. So stay tuned and follow me on this journey as I decide what tools that I want to use to do this. Thank you. So we're finally ready to get this going. Uh-oh. Let's see if I know what I'm doing. A lot of pressure on there. So short end inside, a long end in here. Let's make sure I get that in there before I start pumping. Hey, it's working. Let's see how much I need to. No, might be a little hole in this thing. Just a smidge. But this thing doesn't really take much. I don't have to fill it up, honestly, to get a good amount of work done. Let's see. Let's see. Pull that out a little bit. Let that drain back. Well, that was unintentional, but you live and you learn. Put this top back on here. Put this top on here. Let's get this backpack board up out of here. Let me try to prime this up a little bit. See if I got a little strength in this bad boy. Yeah. There we go. Ready to cook, baby. Okay, as you can see, we've used the backpack blower and rake to clean up this area some. Of course, it's not going to be perfect because it is fall and the leaves are never going to stop falling, even when the trees are bare. But that we have going right here. We also have some more piles a little bit further. I'll take you over there in a little bit. But we're going to get the tractor and we're going to try and scoop or rake it into the bucket. See what we can do with that. But we'll take you along this journey, so stay with me.
Out in a straight line, what you think you should do next? Yeah, come this way. What you want to do, you want to keep the tiles around. You do dirt the same way. When you chase it until it's in a straight line, then you come from the end and scoop it. Then when it gets turned the other way, which would be that way, you come from that end and scoop it back towards it. That way you can keep it corral the whole time. You do dirt the same way. When you want to, you go ahead and dump that, come back, we'll try it again. Don't make me have to get you out of there again. cut that out. You gave me a look. Now we got to cut both of them.
It's the end of the day. We accomplished a good amount. I learned some things on the tractor. Still not quite there. If you can see my husband shaking his head, no. But I think I picked up a couple of things, and I'll definitely get out here and practice more. I'll probably get, I'll probably get admonished more, but I'll get here and practice more to learn more on the tractor. But we did accomplish some of the stuff that we wanted to do. Of course, the leaves will continue to fall, but it did help us as for next week. It won't be such a burden to try to get a larger pile out of the way. But we'll probably get out here again tomorrow to move some stuff. But until next time, have a great day.